So hello everyone. So as you know, GATE results are out. So I will tell about my results and what rank and my journey. I will make a separate video for that. For now, I will start with linked list. As you know, I started with linked list, an example I did. Now let's move on to this example, and after that I will make videos for single linked list, insertion, deletion, and then previous year's questions I will do. So let's start with this. This is an example here I have taken. So almost similar to the first one. Let's see here. This is another example. So let's take here. So you already know that how this linked lists are created. So 200 means in the here 200 is placed. That's why this link is created. So this is basic thing I already mentioned in my previous video. So let's see here. Struct node. This is node star p means a pointer p is created. Let's say 500 600 is the address. It's created. Then p equals to first arrow link means first is 100, arrow link means 200, arrow link means 300 means here. So p is pointing to 300. That's right. Let's not write here 300. So means I will write it like this. First arrow link means 200, arrow link means 300. So p is pointing to C. So now our next part is p arrow link means p is pointing to 300. This is 300. Arrow, this is also link. Arrow link means 400. This is 400. Here our first is stored. You know, right to left assignment is done. When is equals to is present, right to left assignment is done. So here first is stored. First is 100. So this will be deleted and 100 will be stored. So this is kind of a circular thing is making. So this link is disrupted and this is lost in our memory. So this is lost. So now this link is created. 500 is replaced with. So our next line is first arrow link means we are done with these two lines. Now our third line is first arrow link means 200 is done. Then p arrow link, p means here it is pointing to here, p arrow link means 400. So this is stored in our first arrow link means 200 is replaced with p arrow link means 400. So 400 is stored here. So this link is broken and it is pointing to 400. So this is done. Like now from A it is pointing to D. First in previously it was pointing to B, now it is pointing to D. So our third line is done. Now printf star not star %c means character it will be printed. First arrow link means 400. Here it is going 400. Then arrow link again it is going to 100. Then again arrow link, it's like a circular thing, 400. Then again 100. It is pointing. So and now next is our data. A will be printed. So this is our output. A will be printed. So I will now do linked list, single linked list videos, insertion, deletion, and then previous year's questions. So it will be more clear with more examples. So no need to worry about this here because it may seem a little tough, but it's not. Trust me on this, it's not.